In this video, I'll show you how to use Internet Access in the Harmony SASE platform to protect against Internet-borne threats. The Internet Access capabilities include web filtering and malware protection. The platform takes a hybrid approach to web filtering, so it protects your users whether or not they are connected to the Harmony SASE network. We'll start with the off-network scenario where policy is applied based on logic that resides within the agent, which is the same agent used for private access. To set up a URL filtering policy, go to Access Policy. Then select Add New Rule. This policy can apply to individuals or groups of users. And then you can select whether the rule will filter based on web categories or specific URLs. Dozens of web categories are included. Use the Learn More link for more information. Then set any time conditions that cover when the policy will be enforced, such as only enforcing the rule during work hours. Then specify whether to drop or accept the traffic or just warn the user. Once you're done with your settings, click the Apply button to save the new rule. If you have multiple web filter rules, they will be enforced in order, so traffic will be checked based on the first rule, and then based on the second rule, and so on. And you can simply click and drag the rules to change the order of enforcement. If you want to exclude any traffic from being filtered, go to Bypass Rules. Click Add New Rule. Then choose the users or groups and domains or categories that will be excluded from being filtered. Then click the Apply button to save the bypass rule. And that covers the web filtering logic that resides within the local agent. Now we'll look at network level filtering, where DNS filtering rules cover all traffic coming through the network. To set up DNS filtering, click the network name. Select DNS filtering. From here you can select domain categories and specific URLs that should be blocked, either by manually entering them or uploading a CSV file. And you can manually enter any domains or upload a CSV file of domains to exclude from the policy. Harmony SASE's Internet Access also includes advanced malware protection. Packets are inspected for both malware signatures and malicious behaviors. In the Monitor and Log section, select the Malware Protection option. Here you'll find an overview of attempted malware activity that has been blocked. And you can set filters to view and report on activity by member, malware type, time range, and other parameters. Thanks for watching.